At International Insignia, we have over 40 years' experience in producing quality custom headwear. This is an example of our most popular baseball cap, which is a 6-panel premium brush cap. This product features 3D embroidery on the front and a custom inside label. Our next cap features a liquid metal effect logo with side and back embroidery and finished with a custom inside label and swing tag. This baseball cap showcases sublimation printing to the front 2 panels and peak. One of the most popular garments across all sectors is branded hoodies. This University of Edinburgh hoodie consists of a soft peach fabric resulting in a luxurious and soft feel with embroidered front applique, complete with a woven branded inside neck label and a natural branded swing tag. At International Insignia, we run a low commitment policy to help save our customers money and excess stock. Our high-grade print transfers can be applied to multiple garments in a just-in-time process. So whether you need 100 branded t-shirts or 2 branded bags, we can print on demand and ship within days. We also offer a wide range of accessories such as mugs, keyrings, badges and tea towels, all available to be custom branded to your requirements. Increase your revenue stream today through custom branded garments. Visit internationalinsignia.co.uk for more details.